What's going on, man?
Hey, bro.
What?
Come here.
Who is you, cuz?
Come here. Bro, I'm on the phone with my baby mama right now. Look, listen,
Foot?
listen. I'm putting on speaker. Listen.
Damn.
The bitch tripping. Look, I don't even want to deal with this shit here.
Oh, man.
Look, check
What you
this
got?
shit.
Parties?
Look, look on my phone.
Oh, man.
My wallet.
Crack that side phone.
Debit. All that.
Damn.
Look, social in there too.
I take it, folks.
Yeah. That bitch crazy, bro. Yeah, on the hood.
Good looking.
Hey, on neighborhood, stay safe. You heard me? Hey, on neighborhood, stay safe. That's when you're supposed to be like, we in San Bernardino.
Dino, nigga.
Yeah, that's all you. Yeah, you good? Hey, on neighborhood, stay safe.
Bro, we in the Dino.
Yeah, that's right. But we also in Colton.
Weird ass nigga, dog. The hell?
Bro,
Who is this dude?
hey, you remember me?
Ah, man, you
What's
the dude
up,
with the
cuz?
iPhone, huh?
Yeah, neighborhood. Hey.
Yo, baby mama still tripping, dog?
Hey, did she come around here?
Hell no, man. I ain't seen a bitch.
Hey, man, I've been out all night. That bitch still
Well,
ain't
you
found
still
me,
ain't
nigga.
changed your damn coronavirus,
Nigga,
nigga.
polo down, nigga. Hey, on neighborhood, that bitch still ain't got
You got
me,
the
nigga.
AirPod? I got your
Nigga, I only
phone.
got one. Hey, look. Hey, come here. Cuz, come here, cuz. What the fuck? You know where I can get some, nigga?
What's this nigga looking for?
Nigga, I want some heroin, nigga. Nigga on Crip, you know where I can get some heroin, nigga?
Shit,
You
what
gonna play
you
with a nigga
saying?
or what, nigga?
You banging the Delmans.
Nigga, let me get some crystal meth, nigga.
What the fuck?
Cuz, I want some crystal meth, cuz. What the fuck, cuz?
ATM,
Don't be
bitch.
all loud with the shit, cuz. You got something?
Who you
nigga?
looking for, dog?
Shit, man. Hey, neighborhood, in the Dino. All right, man.
What the fuck is going on, man?
All right, cuz, what you doing, cuz?
Hey, who baby is this, dog?
Hey, cuz, shut up. Hey, but look, anyway.
What is?
Are you good? This my daughter, nigga.
Is you? She got the Heelys. She can't walk.
Nigga, hey, don't be talking about my daughter, nigga. She can't walk, nigga. Only walking we doing is crib walking, cuz, on neighborhood. But we in the Dino. Come on, you ready to go?
Yeah.
You want some hot
What's going
Takis?
on, that baby too
Huh?
goddamn big.
We don't get corona, baby. Come on.
What?
All right, we out of here.
What is going on? Look at this man again. This nigga again, bro. Goddamn.
Hey, cuz, real shit.
What's this nigga?
I've
What,
been out
who
here
is that?
5 days in a row. I still ain't seen my baby mama, cuz.
Shit,
And I
I ain't
lost
trying to
my
see
daughter,
her either.
cuz. I left her at the park, cuz. I don't know where she at. Neighborhood.
Damn.
But hey, cuz, watch out for them 5G towers, cuz.
What the fuck? 5G?
Hey, look, on my mama, I was on baseline, and it was a metrosexual. Yeah.
Like
bitch
the omnibus?
Yeah, she like having sex on the bus. She a metrosexual.
Ah,
The crazy
man.
thing is, she introduced me to her sister. That bitch a pansexual. On cuz, that bitch she introduced me to her sister. On Crit, that bitch
What
a
she do?
pansexual.
What the fuck?
She a
What was this
pansexual,
one,
nigga.
him?
I mean, that bitch cook after we fuck, bro. That bitch cook
Ah,
good.
she cooked. Ah,
Crip,
nigga, I
nigga.
need me one of
Nigga on
them.
Crit, nigga.
Jeez.
Hey,
It's
I
just
gotta get on, nigga. Stay safe.
stay up, low.
All right.
Where's this nigga's daughter?
Hey, what's up?
Ah, shit.
Bro, guess what? Nigga, guess what?
What's going on, man?
Nigga, I ain't even a Crip no more. Nigga, I'm a blood now.
You done lost your
Oh,
shirt.
God, what's bracking? Nigga, come here. Nigga, give me some love. Nigga, come here. All right, come on, do it again. Hey, cuz, guess what? You ain't never gonna believe it. I ain't a Crip no more, man.
Dude.
I just got initiated into the Bloods, nigga. I'm a Delman now, nigga. Dino, nigga.
Shit.
Nigga. Yup. Delman. Yeah, I've been in the Dino for like 7 days now, so you feel me? It just made sense. That was the biggest shit going on, so I was like, shit, that's what's going on, so that's what I'm on, you feel me? That's what I'm on. I ain't crippin' no more. Big Bloods. Let's bracket, nigga. Come here. Give me a hug, nigga. Come here. Shit, you know, big B's and all that. You feel me? Yeah. Shit, nigga. Hey, come here. You know where some old ladies I can rob at?
Shh, right down there by the old folks' home.
Huh? Where that's at on E?
My bad.
All right, yeah, for sure. Hey, let me get a shirt. You got $20? All right, Blaze, you broke. All right, I'll catch you later, homie.